Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Hyundai Accent bumper. First, ensure you have all the right tools, including a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a 10mm socket wrench. Always prioritize safety by parking your car on a level surface and engaging the parking brake. Wearing gloves and safety glasses is also a smart idea to protect your hands and eyes throughout the removal process. Let's get started. Next, we'll tackle the fasteners. Start by getting under the car and removing any plastic clips or screws holding the bumper to the undercarriage. A flathead screwdriver usually works best for these. Then, move to the front wheel wells. You'll find several screws inside each wheel well that need to be removed. Gently pull back the wheel well liners to reveal any additional hidden fasteners, ensuring you don't miss any crucial connection points. Now, let's focus on the top section. Open your hood and locate the clips and screws along the top edge of the bumper, where it meets the car's frame. These typically require a Phillips head screwdriver. Also, carefully inspect the areas around the grille and headlight assemblies for any additional bolts or clips that might be holding the bumper in place. Double-check that every visible fastener is removed before proceeding to the next step. With all fasteners removed, it's time for the final step. Carefully and gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle, starting from the sides. It should begin to release from its mounting points. Be mindful of any electrical connectors for lights or sensors still attached to the bumper. Disconnect these before fully detaching it. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home setup. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.